Yeah, so I've recorded the audio on this Google slot, or sorry, on my the PowerPoint, and then I'm also recording the instructions that I have for other things as well, just so you have all the full lesson. All right, so what I want you guys to be working on for today's lesson is is that transfer table of information. So if we go to level 2 biology, we'll see that I've created a new assignment, which is the transfer table. And so let me just open up the Google Doc. So everyone has their own Google Doc. And what you guys are going to be doing is researching the 6 organelles that I have listed. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, sorry. So with these 8, what I want you guys to be mindful of is you need to be able to see the structure down the microscope in order to be able to write that paragraph on there. So you're going to be, you need to know all 8 of these organelles in order to do your assessment. You guys can take this in with you on the internal, so it's really important that you have this done. It's the same sort of thing that we did last week on Thursday. You're making some notes on structure, you're making some notes on function and any other interesting facts. You won't be creating the paragraphs right now because you'll be creating the paragraphs when you have your images done and you've looked through the microscope. So just keep that in mind, that that is what I want you guys to fill out. The thing to kind of help you with this, so I'm going to update this to be 8 points because I didn't realize there were 8 different cell structures, but I want you basically to point for each one that you get done. So let me just save that. To help you guys, if you want, you can use the jotted notes Google Doc. I'm not expecting you to use them. It's just if you do want to use them. Basically, like I said, you're researching these different cell organelles, and you probably just 3 documents should be enough. And you're highlighting structure, function, and other. Again, you don't need to use this document. It's just there if you find it helps. Otherwise, the only one I'm checking is this document here. If you guys are reading online and you want to be able to highlight text, I highly recommend that you add GLASP as a Chrome extension, because what this Chrome extension allows you to do is actually highlight text. I have it installed on my computer, and you can see that, you should hopefully be able to see. Let's just Wikipedia cell membrane. So let's say I'm reading the Wikipedia page on cell membrane and I want to highlight certain sections to say that that's related. You can actually do that with this extension, and it comes up here as like a highlight text. You can also use it to make little post-it notes as well. So I think it's just a useful app. You could also change the color of what you highlighted, so you can follow the color code on there for structure. And the nice thing is when you go back to that web page, it remembers that you've done that, and so you'll be able to access it again. So just pointing it out as an option. But yeah, you guys have basically the rest of the period to get this transfer table done, and I'm happy to answer any questions and clarify. You can use the web, you can use books. I'm not too fussed. Any questions? All right, hop to it.